I don't think any other show offers what Foodex does in terms of the locality, the size, the space that we can have here. It's the biggest food show in the UK. We always have a big stand, which allows us to show a lot of machinery, a lot of solutions.
Well, there was quite a lot of people talking about Foodex, and I thought, if we don't come, you don't see. So like, you never know what you're going to see. Come in here and like look at all the new things. There's lots of shiny machinery that's very good and lots of labour saving stuff. So like mincers, grinders, sausage machines, lots of like little things that you just see and you think that'll save us a lot of time.
If I didn't come, it's very easy just to stay blinkered. It sort of opens up the vision, see what's available. So you can actually see the machines hands-on, see how they work, talk to people, see them in motion really.
Good amount of people coming through and a good mix of new and existing customers. We have our order bell. Foodex for us is a selling event. We have run the bell a couple of times and hopefully you'll hear it again later today.
If you're looking to upscale or looking for new innovative ways to move your business forwards, then it makes sense to come and speak to industry leaders.
Definitely better to come hands-on, talk to the person that you're going to be doing the deal with, and actually see the things that you're going to be purchasing.
It's a bit of an eye-opener. You see things, there's things that take me by surprise.
I'd recommend lots of people come to Foodex. I didn't think the show would be as big as what it was, and the show is very large and it caters for lots of people. It's massive.
Foodex is innovative, interesting and diverse.
My 3 words to sum up Foodex are very large, unmissable, technologically advanced show.
Dynamic, innovative and exciting.
Foodex is inspiring, invaluable, and it's an experience.